This is an ozone generator and we will use it here to remove shoe smell and ozonate water. As a result, the water will get a high oxygen level. Let's connect the tube and start the generator. At the right levels, ozone is a safe and effective way to treat water. It can remove impurities, such as chlorine and heavy metals oxidations. The water is now having a high oxygen level. To remove the sweat, smell from shoes, you just need to put them into a shoe box. We have to insert the tube inside the box. Now we will start the ozone generator and wait for the result. The shoes are now having an ozone smell which will disappear after a few days. As a result, the sweat smell will also be gone. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel.